If your car is suddenly clicking, rattling, whining, buzzing, squeaking, or making a strange sound when you turn, brake, or accelerate, do not ignore it. Strange car noises are often the first warning sign that something is wrong, and catching the problem early can save you from a much bigger repair bill later. Many drivers hear a sound once or twice and hope it goes away. Sometimes it does, but many times that small noise becomes a much more expensive problem because it was an early warning. Your car does not talk with words. It communicates through sounds, vibrations, warning lights, and changes in how it drives. When something begins to wear out or loosen up, the first signal is often a sound that was not there before. Paying attention to that signal can help you catch the issue before it spreads into other components. Let's go through some common car noises and what they can mean. If your car is making a clicking noise, notice when it happens. A rapid clicking when trying to start the car can point to a weak battery or poor electrical connection. Sometimes the battery does not have enough power to spin the starter motor, and all you hear is the clicking of the starter relay. A clicking noise while turning can mean a worn CV axle or joint, especially in front-wheel drive vehicles. These joints allow the wheels to turn while still receiving power from the transmission. If the clicking comes from the engine bay, it could also be valve train noise or low oil-related issues. Engines rely on proper oil pressure to keep internal components lubricated. If your car is making a rattling noise, the cause can vary depending on where the sound comes from. A loose heat shield is one of the simpler possibilities. Rattling can also come from suspension parts, worn exhaust components, loose hardware, or more serious internal engine problems. If the rattling becomes louder during acceleration or under load, it deserves attention quickly. Sometimes drivers notice rattling when driving over bumps. That can point toward worn suspension parts such as sway bar links or control arm bushings. If your car makes noise when you turn, pay attention to the sound. A whining or groaning noise while turning can point to power steering problems on vehicles with hydraulic steering systems. Low steering fluid or a worn power steering pump can cause these sounds. A clicking sound while turning can suggest axle joint wear. A clunk when turning can sometimes mean worn suspension or steering components like ball joints or tie rod ends. If your car is making a whining noise, that often suggests something rotational or fluid related. A transmission can whine when gears or bearings begin to wear. A worn wheel bearing can also create a humming or whining sound that changes with speed. Drivers often describe wheel bearing noise as a steady hum that grows louder as the vehicle speeds up. Sometimes the sound changes slightly when turning because the vehicle weight shifts across the bearings. If your car is making a squeaking noise, brakes are one of the first things to consider. Worn brake pads commonly squeal when braking. Brake pads often include a built-in wear indicator that creates a high-pitched squeal when the pad material becomes thin. Squeaking can also come from a worn belt or dry suspension bushings. Drive belts spin several accessories on the engine, and when they age or lose tension, they can begin squealing during startup or acceleration. If your car is making a buzzing noise, think electrical components or vibration. Sometimes it is something simple like a loose interior panel or underbody shield vibrating against another part. Other times it can be related to a failing actuator or vibrating component inside the dashboard. If your car makes noise when accelerating, that is a major clue. Noise under acceleration can point to drivetrain issues, exhaust leaks, engine knocking, loose components, or transmission problems depending on the sound. Drivers sometimes notice a deeper rumbling sound when accelerating if the exhaust system develops a leak. Now let's talk about the sounds you should treat as urgent. A grinding noise is one of the biggest warning signs. Grinding from the brakes may mean the pads are worn down and metal is contacting metal. When that happens, the brake rotor can become severely damaged very quickly. Grinding from the drivetrain can be even more serious and may indicate internal transmission problems. A loud knocking or banging noise from the engine is another serious warning sign. That can indicate major internal trouble, and driving too long with that sound can lead to severe engine damage. The smartest thing you can do is identify when the noise happens, where it seems to come from, and whether it changes with speed, braking, turning, or acceleration. Pay attention to patterns. Does the noise appear when the engine is cold, when turning, braking, or driving over bumps. Those details can help a technician diagnose the problem faster. If your car is making a strange noise right now, describe the sound in the comments and explain when it happens. And subscribe for more simple videos that help you understand what your vehicle may be trying to tell you.